Hi, 3B girls. I am Nina, and I'm helping you to do tonight's homework. So we're doing the window method, and so I'm telling you how to do it. The first one will be 50 times 40. So first, 5 times 4 is 20, so you add the 0 and zeros, so it will be 2,000. That will be like that. So next, you should put 5 times 40, and 5. I hope you know that 5 times 4 is 20, so you add the 0, it will be 200. So let me write it like that. So next, you should do 50 times 9. So I hope you know that 5 times 9 is 45. So you add the 0, that will be like this. So the last one will be 5 times 9, and I hope you know that too, and that will be 45. And it will be like that. And you all add it together, and it will be, you first add the 2,000 and put the 450 and 200, and the last one 45. Oh, I need to put it that. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, and that will be 9. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So, and you just put the 2. So the answer will be 2,695. This is the homework. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.